Joe Duever, CEO, Final Images. We started in 2002 in a small shop. Started with Bobcat in 2007. It's all family owned and operated. Brothers and sisters all run it. We have 18 employees now, and we're in a 30,000 square foot facility. Backstoppers is a great organization. We literally love our firemen and policemen, so this was a no-brainer for us to jump in. We have a great rapport with our vinyl company manufacturer. They don't know they sponsored it, but they did. They really take care of us in the long term, so we like to give back to them as well. So Avery Dennison with this particular project hooked us up with that. You let us have our free reign on design and then put your input. I think we had 4 or 5 different ideas and just tweaking back and forth. But now we have an end product and it looks friggin' phenomenal. But we're all about helping our policemen and firemen out wherever we can. So we do a lot of charity work, but the Backstoppers are a huge company around here, and that's what we like to do. This is a great opportunity for us to be more of a partner in a sense, and for the longevity of it. And I want you guys to be happy with everything we do, and obviously you came to us because you know what quality we put out.